Hi, I'm Dahlia Davis with Engel & Volkers Real Estate. I'm here only 11 miles from downtown Durango at this gorgeous modern mountain home, and I can't wait for you to get the exclusive tour. This spacious residence has over 4,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. On just over 10 acres of beautiful rolling hills with native mature pinion trees, juniper, and an adjacent private land, the easy-to-maintain landscaping has been designed for low water usage garden. One of my favorite features about this home is the amazing kitchen. It features this glass-top Wolf induction stove, and this home is completely electric. The relaxing neutral tones and materials throughout the home create a bright and open feeling in every room. The main living area of the residence is all on one level and features a versatile and spacious upstairs loft. This community is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in all of Durango. Every room has beautiful views of the surrounding area, including the exquisite Lake Nighthorse. Enjoy the peace and privacy of this gorgeous mountain estate setting.